Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping Within. Thank you for joining me today. So kind of you. Yeah, now using this set. Now we've used we used this stamp in a previous project with the mini gift boxes. We're using it again because it's perfect for the sentiment. Using these flowers today, and I've seen people do these in different colours, and I finally twigged they're using the Stamping Right markers, which I don't have. So I'm doing it the old-fashioned way. So let me show you what we're up to. This is the card. Okay, hope you like that. Hope you can see it. Is it in shot? Okay. What I've done is I stamped it in green, as you'll see, and then I stamped the strawberry sorbet. Is it strawberry sorbet? Sweet sorbet? Sweet sorbet onto another bit of card and attempted to fussy cut. Yeah, not good, not brilliant, but hey, it's handmade. Which I then stuck over where they were on there. Put some lovely what are these called? Iridescent rhinestones on the two flowers there, and scattered 3 about. This is the subtle 6x6 design series paper. Cut it into 2. And yeah, let's get started, shall we? Quick drink first. So I shall leave this where I can see it. I've not stamped the inside because I prefer to leave blank sentiments, but I have put some decoration in there. Okay, and we'll be doing that again. So first things first, card base. Right, oh, colours. As I've already said, I used sweet sorbet, balmy blue for the sentiment, and granny apple green for the leaves. Now then, so pre-cut bases. Put those the right way around in. Okay, and I'm going to grab a mat to stamp me the one on, to stamp this one on. I'm pointing to something you can't see. What am I like? Oh my dear me. Now then, that's the card base. We'll stamp this first, that way around. So we'll get the granny apple green, because then that can be drying while I attach the other bits, as it were. I've lost the stamp and it's right here, isn't it? It's here in front of you. Dear. Right. Get this nice and inky. Love, love, love. Ooh, bit of scrap card there. I'm just putting this in the middle because it's going to be die cut, as you'll see in a moment. So, forgot to get my piercing mat out. Well, I didn't forget because it's got the die cuts on it, hasn't it? The fussy cut bits on it. But if I just apply a little bit of pressure, let the ink soak in. Beautiful. Love, love, love. Right, now then, put that away. While that dries, we'll get our card base. A bit of stiffening down there. And we'll put the red down in this corner this time, okay? And the blue in that corner. Can you do it the other way? So I get a different pattern? Yeah, I can do it that way, can't I? Of course I can. Yay! Right, bit of scrap white card for the sentiment. That going to fit? Yay, that's going to fit. So, sweet sorbet. Hope you're all doing well today. Close your ink pads because you will get your arms in them, fingers, cardstock, etc, etc. Now the balmy blue for the thank you. Oh, see? Just like that. Get the top of my finger. Just give it a bit of a huff. And bung that in the middle. Beautiful. And now, while they dry, let's put this let's glue these pieces, shall we? Closing up your ink pad. It's gone, right, so let's put this bit inside. Have I trimmed it? Yes, I trimmed it to 5 3/4 by an inch. So that's going to be the bit on the front, so we'll glue this side. That just beautiful. Then we'll do these triangle pieces. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It does help out the channel. Don't forget to ring the bell, of course, as well. That way you won't miss any future videos. I made a bit of a balls up there, excuse the French. But it'll do. It's slightly on the wonk, isn't it? Never mind, as I say, it's handmade. Now then, I've got my die cutting machine at the side of me because it does rock the camera quite horrifically. So this is the stitch rectangle dies, and I'm using the second to largest one. Okay, that provides a nice frame. Yeah, I do like that. That goes in the recycling. Now then, that goes with the back with the dies. So where's our bits of dodgy fussy cutting? Let's no, I'll need that in a minute, won't I? Can I tidy any of these up? I don't think so. to do. Right. So let us place these where they belong. Oops. Could do with my tweezers really, couldn't I? Right then, so next step is put some dimensionals on the back of here. I think we'll have 5, so stick one in the middle, just a bit of support, yeah. Put this just there. Oops, didn't take those off, did I? Right, that one's going to be covered up anyway with this. It's our punch. Really nice punch this is. It's quite easy to get central, he says. Some dimensionals on this. Just a couple, yeah, it's only a bit of card. And these are really good dimensionals. And that's going to go in the corner like that. Then we'll get our embellishments. I've got my poker tool here. I don't know what's happened to the take your pick tool. It'll be around somewhere, I know it will. So a big one in that one, and a big one in that one, and a little one just there. One up there, and a little one. Oh, let's try that one again, shall we? There we go. So what do we think? That's the one I've just made with you. That's the one I made earlier. Let me know what you think. Thanks for stopping by again. And whatever you're doing today, I hope you're having a lovely time, and I will see you soon. Bye.